Hey everybody, it's Diesel12, and I am here with 3 out of 5 Decepticons that combine into Decepticon Bruticus. Now, I don't have all of them yet. I have, I've got Swindle, I have Blastoff, and I have Vortex. Let me show you guys the Vortex here. This guy right here. It's pretty cool. So let's start by talking about these guys. I never done this before, so I haven't done talk about these guys first. So let's talk about Swindle. Actually, let's start off with the number 2, Blastoff. Blastoff disguises himself, disguises a horrible loneliness. He feels behind utter contempt for anyone who can't reach orbit under their own power. From his isolated position in orbit, he can fly Autobots with his comrades designate with powerful X-ray lasers on descent to join his fellows in forming the mighty Decepticon Bruticus. Then we have number 3, Vortex. Few Autobots fear a fight against Vortex. What they fear is being captured as mercy. He uses his magnetic grapples to haul helpless captives high into the sky. There he treats them to a terrifying series of swoops, loops, and dives before dropping them to their doom. And here is Swindle. To other Combaticons, the war with the Autobots is an epic class for the fate of the universe. To Swindle, it's a business opportunity. While his teammates relish to a frenzy of destruction they cause as a Decepticon Bruticus, Swindle quietly calculates how much he can get for selling all the scrap metal that'll be lying around afterward. There he is, Swindle. So we're going to go ahead and take these guys out of their packaging. Unfortunately, I do not have Brawl or what am I saying this? The other guy, Onslaught. So I can't transform him, all these guys, into Bruticus yet. Walmart sold out of them, of all 5, and they only had 1 of each kind. So hopefully I can buy it, Onslaught and Brawl. As soon as I do, I will do a review on Bruticus and how to transform him into all these guys into Bruticus. Right now, we'll just do vehicle and robot mode for all these guys. As soon as I get the last 2 that I need, I'll do Bruticus. I'll do those 2, and then we'll do the transformation to Bruticus. It's pretty cool. Swindle looks pretty cool. I do remember Bruticus. I never had him before, but I do remember him from the movie. The actual movie. Here is Swindle. He's pretty awesome. He looks cool. Actually, all these guys look cool. I like him. He does come with a weapon. And by the way, these weapons do combine into an ultimate weapon for Bruticus. You can see it on the package. Now, speaking of packages, there it is. Okay, these guys do have the picture of Bruticus on the back. Let me see if I can get a right angle. There he is. There's Bruticus. Box Mr. Blastoff. I think they should bring back Autobot Superion. Some people say they shouldn't. Some I think they should. By the way, this is Fall of Cybertron. Bruticus. You guys know who I'm talking about. The big Autobot that has 5 vehicles and 5 aerial bots that combine into Superior. I hate these packaging sometimes. There we go. There is Blastoff. Yes, I will be doing a transformation of these guys, and I'm going to compare them to Fall of Cybertron. So I've been kind of sick today. Optimus Prime and Shockwave. As you can see, he does convert to blasters. Kind of like the original Bruticus. Now, this is not the complete set that they have at SDCC. You know, so it doesn't come up. They don't have. I don't have. Again, I do not have Onslaught or Brawl yet, but I will get them eventually. As soon as Walmart brings them back in. It is a Christmas season, so you know you can expect them to run out. Parents to run out and buy these things for the kids. And I know what you're thinking, well, why did you let them just, you know, buy these things? Nobody was buying them. I don't know why. I would tell those parents, hey guys, you want the whole set? Get all 5 of these guys. Don't just buy 4 or 2, which is how many they bought, I guess. And here is Mr. Swindle's packaging, this Blastoff, Vortex. It's pretty cool. I do have a Prime Decepticon. I'll show him in just a second. There we go. And again, I don't have, unless I had all 5 right now, but I don't. So, I'll just have to deal with it until Walmart brings some more in. Hopefully it'll be Friday or something. Alright. And here is Vortex's weapons. Pretty cool. I like it. Alright. We got small guy. This is Breakdown from Prime. He looks awesome. This is my second of the Decepticons smaller Decepticons that I have. I have Flame War, and now I have this guy, Breakdown. Kind of looks like that one Autobot, except he's different color and everything. There he is, Breakdown. Alright guys, so that's it for our unboxing. Stay tuned as I transform him, all these guys, into a vehicle, and we're going to do all in separate videos. Stay tuned.